Big Betty Class A renovation, part 3. So all of those doors I took off yesterday, now I'm removing all of the hardware off of them and keeping everything that came off of them, just because I don't know if I'm going to spray paint everything or if I'm replacing everything that came on the doors. Not sure yet, so better safe than sorry. Next, I'm going in with my orbital sander to get everything ready to go for cleaning and priming. And can we just take a minute to look at those clouds? I swear a time lapse can show some pretty incredible things sometimes, and the clouds are definitely one of them. It was a beautiful day, so I'm happy to be outside while I'm doing this. But once I was done with each piece, I was just moving it into my basement and setting it up on paint cans or whatever I needed to start the cleaning process. So I go in with Crud Cutter, which is just a solution to wipe everything down and get the dust and grime and grease off of it all. And then I wait 10 minutes, get my Kills primer ready, and start the priming process. It's not one of my favorite primers ever, but it got the job done and it was reasonably priced, so it worked. Make sure to give me a follow and check back tomorrow to see what's next.